You can make these little hearts for Valentine's Day or a wedding or children's party or as gift tags or for Christmas. This is sometimes called a Danish heart, but I'm not sure why. When I was a child here in Finland in the 60s and early 70s, we made these all the time out of paper, and I never heard that they had anything to do with Denmark. Anyway, you need some yarn in two colors, either contrasting colors or similar colors, and a crochet hook that goes with it, and a large safety pin and of course a needle for fastening off. The size depends on your yarn. You can make one in any size, also bigger ones, in t-shirt yarn. We are making two pieces like this here. I'm using these yarns. First we need a magic ring. Hold the yarn like this and go round your index finger once or 1.5 times, and then insert the hook, make a stitch. Then we chain 3, and after that we'll make 7 double crochets into the ring. I'm using American crochet terms. Double crochet is treble in British terms. 1 yarn over. So make 7 into the ring. I'll speed up until I get 7. Now tighten the magic ring, but don't tighten very much. You will need to be able to insert your hook in through the hole, so not too tight. Then chain 7. Then we'll have 4 double trebles. At least I think that's what you call it, but whatever it's called, it's like a double crochet with 4 yarn overs. So wrap the yarn 4 times and insert the hook under this here double crochet we have here. And then we crochet normally, always taking a yarn over and going through 2 loops at a time. So we get a very long treble. 2 each time. Like that. And then another one just the same. First chain 1. And then again 4 yarn overs and insert the hook into the magic ring. Two more, chain 1, 4 yarn overs and the hook under the chain we had in the beginning. Chain 1 and one more time, 4 yarn overs, and insert the hook into the last of the 3 chains we started with. Then chain 1, cut the yarn, and that's the first side done. And it's a good idea to fasten off the yarns at this stage so they don't bother us when we join the 2 halves. And here also tighten the magic ring a bit more so that it's tight. Then take your other color and make the beginning exactly the same as the other one. A magic ring, chain 3 and 7 double crochets. I have that here. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you could do that now. Thank you. And then we continue chain 7 again, chain 7. That's 7, and we need to get back to the start of the chain, so we'll have slip stitches in all the stitches, starting with the second one from the hook. Not that one, but this here. A slip stitch into each. Slip stitch into each. That makes 6 slip stitches. There. And then we need 4 more of these here bits. First a slip stitch into this here space, and then make another one just like that, chaining just like the first one, chaining 7 and coming back using slip stitches. So chain 7 and slip stitches. And then we need 2 more like this. First a slip stitch into the magic ring and do the same, and then after that 1 more into the space under the starting chain stitches. So 7 here again. So this is what it looks like now, and then we need a chain at the end. First make a slip stitch into the top of the 3 chains in the beginning, and then chain 7 again. So that's it done, and we need to cut the yarn, but take a bit of yarn for finishing it off after we have joined the 2, about 20 centimeters or so, 8 inches, a piece like this here. And don't finish the stitch off, just pull it longer so it doesn't unravel. Then tighten the magic ring again a bit and finish the yarn off. Then the fun part starts. We are going to pass these here like basket weaving. Hold the 2 like this here and make sure that both are the right way around, so that you actually see the stitches round here. And we start with the top one in our right hand and pass it over and under over the other one. So over the first one, under the next one, over, under. And then take your safety pin and attach it so it doesn't escape while you're doing the next one. First attach the safety pin into the bit here and then through this that you just passed through there. Then to the next one, back to the start again and taking this here and then passing that the opposite way. Over and under, opposite from the other one. And then it goes through under the last one here, and it's a bit hard to see here because it's very tight. And after you've done that, add that to the safety pin so it doesn't go away. In there. So if I loosen it a bit, it looks like this here now. You need to push these a bit to make room. And then continue with the next 2. Just the same with this one and that one. And then we look at the last one separately. 4 of them done. And then we have the last one. Make sure there's room there, you may need to tighten. And take your crochet hook and we are going to pull that through so that we first pass the crochet hook the way the next strip would go. Under and over, just like the other ones, but using a crochet hook instead. Here, and then insert the hook into the stitch you had left, and also take the other yarn with the hook, because we need it at the other end for finishing this off. So pull this through here and make sure it doesn't unravel. So that's the yarn and that's the stitch. So that's them done now, and then we just need a few stitches to keep this together. Turn it the other way around, insert the hook into the stitch, and first make a single crochet into this here tip. From there a single crochet, and then we'll make a slip stitch to the top of each of these strips we have here on the safety pin. Open the safety pin carefully not to drop the stitches, and take the first one off the safety pin. It may be best to close the safety pin to make sure that you don't escape, and then insert the hook into the top of this here strip we have and make a slip stitch there, and then repeat that with the rest of them. So opening that and a slip stitch to the top of that one as well, and then do the last two the same. I have them done, and then to finish off and make a stitch round this here chain we have here. So just a slip stitch round there and finish it off. Here we are, it's done.